Welcome here. I am Shom,
Welcome.
and you guys expected me to make a
Tutorial video.
tutorial video of my phone. Where is my phone?
What is my phone now?
Sorry, what inside my phone? Uh, so I will show you what inside my phone. This is my phone. This is a Google Pixel 2 XL. And sorry guys.
And this is a Poco launcher.
This I still using the Poco launcher because it's so helpful and it's pretty good. Yeah. My first application is RGO. I don't use this app, so but it's helpful because when you have no money to buy any wiring product, then then you can use this app in such a
Such a lovely,
low price. Sorry,
low price, low priced app.
and this is the second application which name is Alto's Adventure. Let me focus it. Okay. Yes.
Phone focus.
I am using a Sony A7R3. Let me open this app. This is the Alto's Adventure. It's a really good game when you are feeling so lonely. I mean alone, and you have to achieve anything. Oh my god, network is error is so, and then you can play this game and your motivation bar will be explained. I'll not play this game again now, and this is my gallery. I will not show you at the moment because of some privacy. And this is the message app. I can show you everything. This is here is the bank details. A lot
I
of
have deleted many of them.
you can also delete this app. I'm sorry. Delete this message. Tap and hold. You cannot select all at all. Okay, selected, delete, done. Yeah. So goodbye. Be healthy, be fit, and be more
Stay messaging. Be more productive.
and do your comment by sorry do comment what is your thought about my channel and yes, Jai Hind.
Leave a like. Subscribe to Somadhi's channel.
And he is my
Boyfriend.
he is my elder brother, and he have also a channel. Beep beep. This is the collaboration video. It was the review of the Sony A7R3. This is the photograph, right?
Okay, I'll show you.
And let me know what how looks my hairstyle. Is it good? Nice.